the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie. This is all about being vegan on the low-FODMAP diet for irritable bowel syndrome. And today I've got a very high protein, or like 13 grams worth of protein pecan pie smoothie for you, which I've been making a lot recently, and it honestly makes you want to get out of bed in the morning, so it's so good. And I tried to have some fun with the video, so let me know what you think. Yeah, enjoy. So you're going to want to start with an unripe banana. This will be about 100 grams, and that's a low FODMAP portion. You can also use a frozen one or a riper one, just 1/3. Then I'm using 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons worth of oat milks rolled. And then I have toasted, or in this case actually burnt, 10 pecans, and I popped 8 in there. And then I'm adding in a good sprinkle of cinnamon, some turmeric, just a little because it's so good for you, and a little pinch of nutmeg. You could also add some vanilla if you like. And then I'm adding in 1 cup worth of almond milk, which is low FODMAP. You could also use rice milk or hemp milk. And then I'm going to pop in some pea protein, just 1 teaspoon to give it a little protein boost, and blending it all together. If your blender is up to it, you could of course add some ice or some cold water. This is a really nice thick smoothie, so you could thin it out if you prefer it like that. I'm just garnishing it with some more oats for the Instagram, and some more cinnamon, and topping with the leftover 2 pecans. So I hope you enjoyed that. I make a video every Sunday, so please subscribe and like if you did, and I will see you next week. Bye!